What does the alternator in my car do? The function and importance of a car alternator. A car alternator is a critical component of the vehicle's electrical system, responsible for generating electrical power to recharge the battery and power various electrical components while the engine is running. It plays a vital role in ensuring that your vehicle's electrical systems operate efficiently and that the battery remains charged. So before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Here's a closer look at what a car alternator does and why it's essential. Generating electrical power. The primary function of a car alternator is to generate electricity. It converts mechanical energy from the engine's rotational motion into electrical energy. This energy is then used to power the vehicle's electrical components, ranging from lights and air conditioning to power windows and entertainment systems. Battery charging. One of the crucial tasks of the alternator is to recharge the vehicle's battery. When the engine is running, the alternator generates electrical current that flows to the battery, replenishing the energy used during engine starts and providing power for accessories when the engine is off. Maintaining electrical load. As you drive, various electrical components such as lights, wipers, radio, and more consume power. The alternator ensures that the battery isn't solely responsible for providing power to these components, preventing the battery from being drained and allowing it to fulfill its role in starting the engine. Voltage regulation. The alternator maintains a consistent voltage level within the vehicle's electrical system. This is important because many components operate optimally within a specific voltage range. The alternator adjusts its output to keep the voltage stable, preventing damage to sensitive electronics and ensuring proper operation. Accessory power. Many vehicles have electrical accessories that require power even when the engine is off, such as alarms and clocks. The alternator provides power to these accessories through the battery, helping to maintain their functionality. Ignition system. In some vehicles, the alternator contributes to the ignition system by supplying power to the ignition coil, which generates the high voltage spark needed to ignite the fuel-air mixture in the engine cylinders. Engine performance. The alternator indirectly affects engine performance by relieving the engine of the task of charging the battery and powering electrical components. This allows the engine to focus more on propulsion and less on generating electricity. Vehicle mobility. Without a properly functioning alternator, your vehicle's battery would eventually become depleted, leading to the inability to start the engine. In other words, the alternator ensures that your vehicle remains operational by continuously recharging the battery. Emergency backup. In cases of battery failure, a functional alternator can help provide a temporary power source, allowing you to drive a short distance before the battery is fully drained. In summary, a car alternator serves as a vital source of electrical power for your vehicle. It generates electricity to recharge the battery, power electrical components, and ensure the proper functioning of various systems. Without a functional alternator, your vehicle's electrical systems would gradually deplete the battery's energy, leading to the inability to start the engine and operate essential accessories. Regular maintenance and inspection of the alternator are crucial to ensure that your vehicle's electrical system operates smoothly and reliably. If you notice any signs of electrical issues or a warning light indicating a problem, it's important to address them promptly to avoid potential breakdowns and ensure your vehicle's optimal performance. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.